Namaskar, I am Advocate Pratima Coutinho. Well, today on the 27th of September, Wednesday, I would like to inform all my Goan brothers and sisters, my well-wishers, my supporters, my fans that I've already sent an email to the national convener of Aadmi Party, that is Arvind Kejriwal ji, and of course a CC copy to Advocate Amit Palekar, who is the convener of Aadmi Party Goa. Well, I would like to read out my resignation so all my Goan brothers and sisters know about it. To Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji, National Convener of Aadmi Party, New Delhi. The subject: resignation from the position of main state vice president of Aadmi Party Goa and also the primary member of Aadmi Party Goa. Sir, I am writing to inform you my decision to resign from the position of main state vice president of Aadmi Party Goa and as a primary member of Aadmi Party. This decision has not been made in haste, but after careful consideration of my personal and professional goals. Serving the party and working alongside passionate individuals has been an individual experience, and I am thankful for the opportunities I have had during my tenure in this party. Well, however, it is time for me to explore other horizons and pursue other avenues in my career and in my personal life. I believe that this decision aligns with my long-term aspirations and growth. As you all know, I am a fearless lady and I work in my own ways to help Goa and Goans at large. And this is the priority for me right now. I want to extend my gratitude to you and to all my colleagues for all their support during my time with the Aadmi Party in Goa. I have learned a great deal from this experience and will always hold it in high regards. I am committed to ensure a seamless transition and will be available to assist with the transfer of my responsibilities. Once again, I thank you for the opportunities I had within the Aadmi Party, and I wish the party continue success in its endeavours. Yours sincerely, Advocate Pratima Coutinho, State Vice President of Goa. This is my resignation, and along with this, as the copies sent to the National Convener Arvind ji and even the CC to Amit Palekar, Goa Unit Convener, I मुझे गोंयकारांक सांग सोदता, irrespective of the resignation given as the State Vice President of Aadmi Party, हांव उत्तर दिता जे म्हजें काम आसा, म्हजें कार्य आसा ते सदांच गोंयकारां खातीर आनी गोंया खातीर सदांच उरतलें आनी कंटिन्यू जातलें म्हणून. देव बरें करूं.